Let me just take a moment and interrupt this video to open up this box that was sent to me by the kind folks over at Fastenal. Hopefully I found a decent camera angle. I know you're up there in the nosebleeds right now. But let's cut this open and I'll try to get a close-up of what's inside here in a few minutes. I got this box yesterday, but it was so late in the evening I didn't really want to come out here and record it, so we're doing it now. Oh wow. I can definitely use buckets. There's some packing material. Alright, well it looks like everything's inside the bucket, so we can get the cardboard box out of the way. Also left me a note, but I'll read that off camera. Oh, first things first. Wow, they sent welding gloves. And not only one pair, they sent 4. Wow, that is far too kind. 3 pairs of the part number 1018 stick welding gloves. Those are nice and heavy duty. I actually emailed them just wanting 1 pair, and yeah, they sent me 6 different pairs of them. 3 pairs of one kind, again the 1018, and then 3 pairs of the part number 136522. Then I've got a tiny Fastenal tool vending machine. I used to see those in factories quite a bit when I used to work for that warehouse. 2 pairs of safety glasses, clear safety glasses. The part number on them are G8. See the tag. Then I got a Fastenal large t-shirt. I don't see a tag for the part number on that. A nice Fastenal water bottle. Actually, take the plastic wrap off of that so you can see it a bit better. Plus it's got names on the wrapper, and I do not like names if I'm not allowed to show them. Some people like this anonymous. There's a nice water jug. Definitely use that at work. Of course, you got to have an ink pen that I dropped on the ground. And then last but not least, let's get the camera down and I'll show you what both of these are. And you have, let me take these apart. There's the part number SD-1 carbide burr. Hopefully the camera will pick that up. These are always needed around the shop. Got 2 of one kind, 2 of another. Nice quality made. Got 2 of another kind. And 2 more. And one thing that I absolutely love about these, and the reason why I dealt with this company and was asking them, again, I knew about their products. Hopefully the camera will pick that up. You see that right there? USA. You don't see that very often. when it comes to carbide bits that are out on the market. Again, I'll put the part numbers for these in just a moment, but I cannot thank this company for not only sending me this stuff, but also everything else in the bucket. Let me just lay this all out and show you another view. They are far too kind. Again, what an incredible assortment of stuff that they sent to be used in future videos. I cannot thank them enough. Let's start off with the Fastenal t-shirt. Then you've got the stress ball, that's the tool vending machine. I'm going to use that a lot when I'm editing, wanting to tear my hair out. 3 pairs of the stick gloves, Tillman brand. You've got 3 pairs of the Bodyguard safety gear brand. There's the part number. Good quality made welding gloves. You got the Fastenal water jug. 2 pairs of the clear safety glasses. Always want to protect your eyesight. Now everybody jokes around about squinting and things like that. And yeah, there's a lot of people with eye patches. Then you've got, there's the part number for the 1 carbide bit. Again, I'll show you the here's the part number for the SD-1 ball. I've needed a good set of these for a long time. Here's the part number for the aluminum cut. Hard to do this all one-handed. And here's the part number for the solid carb shank aluminum cut. Hopefully the camera will actually focus. It's C10068. That's going to help me out quite a bit. And then don't forget that nice clean bucket down there that's probably not going to last long around the shop, because in 5 minutes or so when I turn the camera off, I've actually got a good use for this. And a lot of you gearheads watching will know how elusive a nice clean bucket can be to find around the shop. And of course, as luck would have it, I didn't realize until I was in the stages of editing this video that the camera that you're watching this video through done a horrible job at zooming in on all of the part numbers. So I will do my best to remember and leave them in the video description below. Now, I can't thank Fastenal enough for their hospitality. This care package, all of the items that you see in front of the camera, excluding the bucket that I actually did use about 5 minutes after I turned the camera off to wash my truck, this stuff totals up to about $400 worth of product that they sent for me to use in future videos. Now, please understand, they did not reach out to me. I actually got a hold of them and seen if they would send some stuff, and they were more than happy to do so. There's one promise that I can always say in these videos, that I will never ask for money from you all watching to finish these projects. That's never going to happen. But whenever you have a channel that goes through quite a few consumables, sometimes you have to knock on a few doors, and that's what I've done in this case. Now, I'm also hoping that this is inspirational, because if you notice, I don't have 1 million subscribers. I also don't have 350,000 views or so on every single one of the videos that I put out there. That's right, I don't have 1 million subscribers. But what I do have is family-friendly content that you can watch with anyone in your family. That means a lot to me. The videos have always been that way, and they will always stay that way. And a lot of companies look for that type of content. So hopefully this is inspirational to somebody else who has a small channel here on YouTube that works in the automotive field. A lot of companies look for family-friendly content, and half the time they won't even give you an email back if you don't have 350,000 or more subscribers. So for a company like this to sponsor a small channel like mine really means a lot, and should open an eye to anybody out there who's thinking of starting their own YouTube channel as well. If they worked with me, they might just work with you in the future as well. But anyways, it's time to go in and start editing this video that's probably going to be over an hour long, and it's starting to rain outside here right now, so I can't even do anything if I wanted to. But anyways, thanks a lot for watching the video. My name is Zane, and I hope to catch you next time.